Installation steps for Classic200. Install the Swing Mount Assistant package. Loosen the screw on the assistant arm. Take out 4 PCS washers and 2 PCS bearings. Install 2 PCS washers and 1 bearing on the assistant arm and insert it into the assistant adapter. Put the others of the washer and bearing. Put the metal cover and tighten the screw with Allen wrench. Wrap the yellow and green tubing of assistant table and white rope with black gaffer tape. Let the tubing through the assistant arm and buckle. Connect the same color and same size of the pipeline. Take out the black gaffer tape. Connect the cover tube well. Put HVAC and syringe on the assistant holder. Install the rigid arm of dentist's control. Loosen the screw and remove the metal cover, 2 PCS washers and 1 bearing. Install the rigid arm of dentist's control, and put the washers and bearings which have been removed before. Put the metal cover and tighten the screw with Allen wrench. Let the umbilical through the hole of adapter. Loosen the decorative cover screw on the adapter, and take out the decorative cover. Connect the same color and same size of the pipeline. Install the rigid arm of dental light. Loosen the screw and remove the metal cover, 2 PCS washers and 1 bearing. Install the rigid arm of dental light and put the washers and bearings which have been removed before. Put the metal cover and tighten the screw with Allen wrench. Install the junction box. Find the junction box. Put the umbilical from the chair into the tube which in the junction box. Take out the junction box cover. Loose the screws of buckle and take out the buckle. Put the tube into the position near pump. Tighten the screw. Install the junction box cover. Put the tube into the metal frame. Find the air and water filter. Connect the same color and same size of the pipeline. Connect the foot pedal line. Put the silicone tube on the hole. Put the junction box cover. Install the delivery head. Open the delivery system carton. Loose the 3 PCS screws with Allen wrench. Wrap the white rope and umbilical of delivery head with black gaffer tape. Pull the umbilical of delivery head with white rope. Install the flexible arm. Tighten 3 PCS screws. Put the 3-way syringe handpiece tube on the delivery head. Let the umbilical of delivery head through the hole of adapter. Connect the same color and the same size for the pipeline. Install the screw in the delivery head. Install the dental light. Open the dental light carton and find the light pole and light arm. Install light pole and light arm. Wrap the light line in white rope with black gaffer tape. Put the light line into the rigid arm and pull it. Install the light pole and rigid arm. Find the light line in the rigid arm and connect with anther light line. Tighten the screws with the cover. Install the dental light. Put the trim ring to the light. Connect the light head with light arm. Insert the light head into the light arm. Tighten the screw to fix the light. Insert the light handle. Open the flexible arm cover of delivery system. Adjust the screw with Allen wrench.